First principles is quite a tedious way of doing derivatives. So if you ever asked to do first principles, don't hate on it because you know that it's coming in every exam and it's worth 4 or 5 marks. So it's marks that you can easily practice and get. And so what I like to do is when I'm asked a question in first principles, I'll do it the quick way, times the power by the front and drop it by 1. So the derivative would be very, very quickly 4x. And I do the same for this, times the power by the front, drop it by 1, and I just get minus 5. So now at least I know, okay, cool. That is the answer that I'm dreaming towards, and you can know if you've gone right or wrong. Then you're going to use the set formula, and first principles is basically just taking 2 points, because that's the easiest way to get the gradient between 2 points, change in y over change in x, but we've just inserted a h to create the 2 points. We do this, and through the question we're almost resisting temptation to make the h 0 the whole time until the very end. And by making h tend towards 0, it's like we're working out the gradient at 1 point. And so a lot of grade 8 to 11 is whenever you hear gradient, it's between 2 points, it's average gradient. Whereas instantaneous or gradient at 1 point or gradient of a tangent, that's now suddenly calculus and its derivatives. One thing I like to do to make life a little bit easier is you can write out this in brackets twice. So write exactly that and exactly that again, which is what you've kind of got going on here. And the first time that you see x's, you just almost rub them out and replace them with x plus h. So if you find you often get first principle questions wrong, just write the exact equation they give you, just write it out twice, and the first time you see x's, just rub them out and change them to x plus h. Then the rest is basically just timesing it all out very carefully. You'll notice typically that quite a lot of the terms will cancel. When you've got to this step, you want to take out an h, and only at the point that you've taken out a h and cancelled it with the bottom, only then can you sub h is 0, because any of the other steps, if I made h 0, it would be undefined because I'd be dividing by 0. And once I let h be 0, so 2 times 0, that will just pretty much fall away, and all I'm left with is the 4x minus 5. And I cast my eyes to the beginning of the question where I very quickly got the answer, and it should have been 4x minus 5. And I can see, yes, I am right. I know I'm going to get full marks. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share it with any friends who've got tests and exams coming up.